They can choose to look at that video again and again and again while they're deliberating if they choose to. They can deliberate as late as they need to in order to reach a verdict. So to your point, Karen, who knows how late they may go and how late they're going to be there, even getting through those jury instructions before they begin deliberating. Whether or not they're going to deliberate Saturday if no verdict is reached today has not yet been decided. So that's going to be up in the air at this moment in time. Let me throw that all to you, Kirk, and say now, what is your opinion, and normal or not, in the process and where we are?
Well, certainly, you know, the process sometimes does get stalled out by logistical reasons. Remember, Ashley, we had that appeal to emotions that the state objected to, so maybe that's some of the reasons. Maybe another curative instruction was added in there. But I think Karen hit the nail on the head. You know, at this point in time, it's nearing 5 o'clock in Florida now. I'm sure the jury is just exhausted and probably wants to go home and think about this. And I don't know how well they would absorb the jury instructions, but it sounds like the judge is going to go ahead and read those to the jury today. But I think this can be a long, exhaustive process. And so the jury's going to, based on that exhaustion, decide whether they're done for the day, done for the weekend, or want to come back and get it over with. It's going to depend a lot on their personal schedules and inclinations in that regard.
All right, let's, we have live video here. We can see what's going on in the courtroom, and the judge is there, it looks like, making notes. So what we also know is that the judge has not yet decided whether or not the jury will be sequestered. She says typically with second-degree murder charges, they are not, but they'll cross that bridge when they come to it if they need to. Your opinion, Karen, should this jury be sequestered if they begin deliberations and then have to come back to finish on another day?
I believe that they should be sequestered. I think there's so much publicity out about this case, and their family members, friends, everyone's been keeping up with this case nationally, if not internationally, and I think it would be hard to avoid any of the outside influences. So I think in this particular case, unlike other secondary murder cases, this one, the jury should be sequestered.
All right, and our field producer, Emanuela, has also let us know that they were on a restroom break. It looks like, again, the judge is writing, not sure what she may be doing as she's preparing to read the jury instructions. Do you think, Kirk, that the jury instructions are likely to go back with the jury in writing on pieces of paper in case they want to refer to them?
I think that's likely. I'm not sure what the standard procedure would be in this county, but it's often the case that the jury get their own copy of the instructions. They get to take them back in consideration of their deliberations. And, you know, they're probably going to want those. Going back to Karen's point earlier, they're probably tired, so they know that they might not absorb it all so well, and particularly if the deliberations do go past the weekend or don't start anew until Monday, they might want to have those there so they can consider them when they're deliberating further, depending on how long those deliberations take.
Yep. Let's go back to court.